Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean, flat workspace. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it, as this will prevent any accidental power on during the upgrade. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your DELL Vostro 5000. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger or your fingers, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the RAM slots. Before proceeding, it's advisable to ground yourself using the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Now, identify the existing RAM modules. If you are replacing them, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM stick to release it. Pull the RAM module out at a slight angle. If you are adding new RAM, align the notch on the new module with the slot and insert it at a 30-degree angle. Press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the RAM. After installing the RAM, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and cooling. If you're not comfortable doing this, consider our collection and delivery at your home service, which makes it easy to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once you've completed the installation and cleaning, carefully replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clip snap back into place. Reinsert all screws, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Finally, reconnect the battery if it was removed, plug in your laptop, and power it on. To check if the RAM upgrade was successful, right-click on the This PC icon on your desktop, select Properties, and verify that the installed memory reflects the new total. If everything looks good, congratulations on successfully upgrading your DELL Vostro 5000 series RAM. If you encounter any issues or if this seems too tricky, remember we offer no calls, no travel services, allowing you to get a quote before repair without any inconvenience. Enjoy your enhanced laptop performance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.